get you for this. So I hate wasting good water. So here we are in the city streets, lots of water laying around, and we're going to use one of these crappie puddles. So hopefully the guys come pretty quick. I'm already getting cold. You get nominated too?
Yes!
Look at her.
I got too close!